Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you're all doing well. Now in today's video, from the title you can tell that today is a skincare video, and I'm going to share with you vitamin C, and this is one of my favorite ingredients, especially for skincare. If you follow me for some time now, you know that I like vitamin C, be it vitamin C serum, vitamin C scrub, vitamin C moisturizer, and all that. Anything vitamin C is just something I like to use because of the benefits. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Thank you so much. Go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you like this kind of content, and consider watching till the end, guys. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. All right, so let's get into the video. So some of the benefits of vitamin C is it reduces wrinkles. And who wants to age? Nobody wants to age. Tend to have, like fine lines and all that, and vitamin C tends to help in that. And also another thing that vitamin C helps is it reduces hyperpigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, it really helps to to even the skin tone. Let's say like I used to have a lot of this, and then one side maybe my skin was uneven. It helps to even out the skin tone. It brightens the skin complexion. If you want to have your even tone skin, vitamin C is really good. It helps against sun damage. Now, if you're using vitamin C as a serum, or you're using vitamin C as a moisturizer, it can really help to protect the skin against sun damage. Increases collagen production. Now, it helps to increase the collagen production and also protects collagen. It helps to protect the skin against pollution and other free radicals. So when you apply vitamin C, be it during the day when you're going about your thing, of course, don't forget to apply your sun protection, like your SPF 30 is always like recommended, because SPF 30 is good enough. Like, I'll tell you something, before I started taking my skincare routine like seriously, I used to have a lot of, my skin, one side was, I didn't have an even tone skin. That's what I can say. But when I continue, skincare is a process. Like anything else, you need to be consistent, you need to be there, take care of the skin, and make sure that you're doing it the right way. Now, I have also a video that I'm going to link here, or I put the description down below. I have a couple of videos actually of skincare routine, and also some products, vitamin C products that I have purchased both online and in store, that are very useful, especially when it comes to vitamin C and how it really protects and helps this. I have a video as well of how to layer the skincare, because you can have all the products of skincare products, but knowing or having just the basic knowledge on how to layer your skincare routine, you need to know what comes first, so that really helps to have the full benefit of the product when you're applying it on your daily skincare routine. I went actually to the mall, and I bumped into the most affordable vitamin C serum you can find. I don't know if there is any other serum in the market that beats this one. And guys, I have used it. Like, I used it for a week, and guys, that vitamin C serum, despite the price, it really works. So I don't know how I don't know how they managed to put that price tag, but it works. Now, this vitamin C serum is from Primark. Now, if you have been to Primark, they have like section where they have skincare products, and I feel like despite them being very affordable, if not cheap, they really do work. This is the vitamin C serum, and I'm going to read to you guys so that you see. Vitamin C Serum Brightening Serum, concentrated vitamin C, radiance enhancing, vegan friendly. Okay, for dull and tired skin. Then at the back, vitamin C brightening serum with pink grapefruit extract and concentrated vitamin C helps to actively brighten and improve the skin texture. Okay, so this vitamin C serum is actually, it works, because this is what I've been using for a week. I had a video last, I think 2 weeks ago, and I was complaining about how my skin has been a bit dull, especially when we have a transition from winter to spring. My skin tends to be a bit dull, ashy, and I think it's kind of confused on what, because there's one day there's the sun, like really hot sun, and even though I wear my SPF every single day, but the skin is a bit kind of in a shock. One day it's a bit cold, another day it's like really super sunny. So yeah, so the skin tends to really kind of, misbehave. And so I wanted something that can really boost that and give life to my skin. When I found this, I decided, okay, you know what, I'm going to try this vitamin C serum from Primark for a whole week without using any other product. Now, here's the thing, I thought of it. Why not buy a full, vitamin C combination of products from Primark, so that maybe they would work better when they're, in like a set. So I bought this vitamin C brightening serum, and then I went ahead and bought this vitamin C super booster gel moisturizer, daily brightening moisturizer, antioxidant, defense, and vegan friendly for dull and tired skin. Then at the back it says vitamin C super booster gel, daily brightening moisturizer, helps to boost your skin's natural radiance, provide antioxidant protection, what you were saying, free radicals, and enhance the complexion while leaving it soft and smooth. That's what we're talking about. So I picked this is the moisturizer, and then I saw this, which I was a bit curious. This is a vitamin C reviving face mist, and it says energizing and hydrating, and lightly refreshes skin throughout the day. So it's like a mist. So at the back says face mist, reviving face mist helps to energize and hydrate the skin. The light mist refreshes the skin when sprayed throughout the day. So this product has been very helpful, especially on a hot day. And what I do is just and that's it, and I can stay this way so that it just absorbs in the skin. I know there are vitamin C's that range and go over and above, and sometimes it's really hard for someone to buy like a full skincare kit, expensive. But if you find this, if you can get a hold of this, I was amazed how it has made my skin to be like really supple, very brightening. And this face mist, it's really good, because if you just wake up and you're about maybe to do your things before the skin is always like tired, and you can spray that before you start your day, even just working out and doing things before you leave the house. This mist is really good. It comes really in handy. Now I went ahead again and bought this vitamin C exfoliate and cleanse body scrub. This I had bought last summer, and I scrubbed my body with it, and it was amazing, you guys. Really good results. My skin was very fresh and smooth before I went for vacation. So this I can recommend, and it's a lot, you guys. It's 475 ml. That's really a lot. And guess what, the price is €4. I bought it at €4. Can you see here? Yeah, €4, you guys, and it smells amazing. Fantastic. Really, really good. And let me tell you something. The beauty about this, I don't know if you can be able to, okay, that way. It has like really fine granules. Can you see that? So that's how you just have to do. You see? You can actually use it on the face if you don't have any kind of allergy. Like myself, I use it as well on the face because I find it really smooth and really good. You see? And that's it, guys. So can you imagine, for all these products, each one of them was €4. So this was a clean €16. Can you imagine? I gave out €20 and I had change. I was like, oh my goodness, this is like the most affordable skincare line or skincare products I have found in the market. Because usually, like my previous Florence Cosmetics Vitamin C Serum, that one I think goes for, I think, €18. So I was thinking it's quite affordable as well. I mean, it's not bad since it also works very well. So for €16 for all these products, I think it's the best bargain you can find in the market. What do you think, guys? It's the best bargain you can find in the market. Let me know on the comment section if you've tried Primark skincare collection and what do you think about them. If not, why not? You can pick probably Vitamin C. They have different kind of collections, but since I like Vitamin C, I am trying this. But I saw they have even retinol. They have retinol, which I think I'm going to also try next time. But so far so good. I am so pleased on how they have worked on my skin. It's just amazing. Now I'll show you the consistency of the serum. This is the most affordable serum that I have found. That's the consistency, you guys. So that's how it is. You see, I can even take a bit. Let me just take a bit and oops, just a little bit. That's it. It's really light. It's very light. So when you're doing, let's say, the skincare layering, it doesn't peel because it's like a kind of a jelly. It has a gelish texture, which is really good, and then absorbs very well on the skin, which is a plus for that amount. So guys, we have come to the end of our video. It was amazing. I was having really so much fun talking about it. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave a kind comment down below. It's very useful to me, and I am so grateful that you watched till the end. So until next time, guys, stay blessed. Love you.